Hey guys, it's Paul here, and today we're looking at this Ryobi clip fan. So as you can see here, you can clip it on to a lot of different things to let it hang off of. And the grip here is there's grip inside of the clamp, so it gives it more of an ability to hold on to things. So what I like to do is I clip it on to somewhere that I'm working on a project or something where I need a fan that's portable, that's battery powered, not hooked up to a power cord or anything. It's very convenient, overall fairly lightweight. And with this battery here, a 4 amp 18 volt battery, it can run up to 18 hours of runtime. There's two fan speeds, low and high, and it's multi-directional, which is nice. Up or down, side to side. And yeah, I've had this for over a year and I haven't had any issues with it. I use it quite often when I'm working on projects or where I need a fan somewhere wherever I'm working, and it's been great for that. Alright, let's test the sound level of how much noise this fan makes. So I'm going to use this sound level meter just to give you an idea of how loud it is in decibels. So first off, we're going to test out how loud the room is when it's silent. We're looking at about 31 decibels. Alright, so here I'm going to turn it on low. It's about 48 decibels. I'm going to turn it on high. About 57 decibels. So I hope you enjoyed that, and thanks for watching.